we'll see okay how to populate MS form response to a Microsoft list with the help of Powerflow. We'll quickly create a form which will contain the marks of the students. So we'll start at student name, subject English, then we'll add physics, we'll add next chemistry, physical fitness, and in the last we'll add maths. Let's quickly preview this. All good. I've already created a student marks MS list. Let's test the form. So we just put some random thing, random name, marks. 536 submit. Now let's create a power flow. Go to power flow, create, automate cloud flow, provide the flow name, marks update, and select the trigger as a new response is submitted and click on create. Now we'll quickly select the form name and then let's add a new step. So first things will be to get the response to one variable. So we'll say get response details and then we'll select the form name and the response ID. Now we'll work on the SharePoint list. Let's SharePoint list and then create items. We'll click on create items. Now we need to provide the site address. So if the site address is not visible here, you can go copy the entire URL of SharePoint list, paste it here, and it will automatically trim out the site address. Now we'll select the list, and in a fraction of a second, it will show you all the fields of MS list. So we'll start mapping it one by one with the list and the form. So maths, chemistry, let's search for chemistry, and physics, let's search for physics, and then physical fitness. Now we'll click on save. You will see a message populating your flow is ready to go. Now let's test this. This is the flow which I've created. Let me disable this, and this is the flow. We'll go and submit another response. Student name Anna, 89, 65, 95, just random mark 66, 17, and click on submit. Now we'll switch to a list. It's not there. Let's refresh it, and you'll see the third row contains the details of Anna. You can also see that how your flow has been ran. Thank you.